Hello, this is Josh Patel back again with another biology video. Today we're going to be doing chapter 32, which is the digestive and excretory systems. So, this lesson is nutrients and homeostasis. So our key concept is cells require many different nutrients. So there's 6 types of nutrients. There's water, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. So water makes up to 55 to 60% of our bodies, and it is involved in nearly every cell and body process. Body cellular reactions it helps digest food, it eliminates waste, maintains blood volume, regulates body temperature, and keeps skin smooth. So we need 2 liters, which is about 8 cups a day to replace this fluid loss. So it's found in fruits and vegetables. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. So simple and complex carbohydrates supply glucose, and glucose is basically sugar, and sugar is basically energy. So they're all the same. Fiber from plant food helps elimination, and so these are found in fruits and vegetables, and bread has a lot of carbs too. Proteins are raw materials necessary for growth and to repair the body. So body makes 12 out of the 20 amino acids we need. So the other 8 that our body doesn't produce we have to eat to consume. Proteins make up all enzymes and many hormones in our body, found in meat, dairy product, eggs, and some plant foods. Fats, fats are another nutrients that we need, and they provide energy and key building components in cell membranes, neurons, and certain hormones. Fats are saturated and unsaturated. Essentially, fatty acids come from foods such as red meats, dairy products, plant oils, some fish, and fish oils. So, minerals are inorganic material used to carry out cell processes. So, it helps to build or repair tissue, replenished by eating a variety of foods such as dairy products, meats, leafy greens, legumes, which are beans, seafoods, nuts, and whole grains. So vitamins are organic molecules that work with enzymes. Vitamins are soluble and water soluble, so they dissolve in both. And they regulate cell functions, growth, and development. Replenished by eating a variety of foods such as dairy products, leafy greens, legumes, fruits, nuts, meats, whole grains, and multivitamin supplements. So, meeting nutritional needs supports good health. So, for us to be in good health and have good homeostasis, we need to eat all of those 6 nutrients. So, during puberty, you're required more nutrients and calories. So, basically, during your teenage years, 1 calorie equals 1 kilocal or 1,000 calories. 1 gram of protein or carbohydrates equals 4 calories. 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories, and you do not need to know any of these numbers. So a balanced diet of whole foods provides the best nutrients and calories. Food and physical activity also needs to be balanced. And so males require basically more of everything. Food labels can help you make good eating choices. So the digestive system breaks down food into simpler molecules, and now we're in 32.2, which is the digestive system. Several digestive organs work together to break down food. The digestive system breaks down food into energy cells can use. After digestion is complete, nutrients are absorbed and transported to all cells. Undigested materials are eliminated as liquid and solid waste. So, digestion begins in the mouth and continues in the stomach. So the mouth produces saliva basically, which helps break down starches into simple sugars. Mechanical and chemical digestion breaks down food. So peristalsis moves food through the organs. So digestion of carbohydrates begins in the mouth. Digestion of fats and sugars occurs in the small intestines. So the small intestines basically helps more, it just does more digestion after the stomach. Several digestive organs work together to break down food. So the esophagus function peristaltic movement moves food in the stomach, or moves it into the stomach from the mouth. So 3, which is the stomach functions. The function digestion of proteins mixes and churns food in chyme. And you do not have to know any of these, like any specific things they digest. Just know which organs are part of the digestive system and basically the flow of it. So the liver or the gallbladder and the pancreas, so they produce bile to help digest fats, produce enzymes to digest fats, and finished protein digestion. And then the small intestines, which comes later, it completes digestion of proteins and sugars, and it also digests fats. And then the large intestines, the rectum, and the anus function absorbs water and forms solid waste to eliminate basically waste. So this is the flow. We have the mouth, and then it goes down the esophagus, which is this long tube, goes into the liver, and then goes to the gallbladder, and then from there it kind of goes into the stomach, the large intestines, small intestines, and then comes out the rectum and the anus. So digestion is complete in part of the small intestines. Most digestion takes place in the duodenum, and the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder aid in digestion as well. So the pancreas helps digest fats and proteins, the bile from the liver helps digest fats, and a lot of this is very specific that we don't need to know. So 32.3, absorption of nutrients. The nutrients are absorbed and solid waste eliminated after digestion. Most absorption of nutrients occurs in the small intestines. 3 structures in the small intestines help absorb nutrients. And we don't have to know any of them because they're very in-depth. So we can skip this. So water is absorbed and solid waste are eliminated from the large intestines. So the colon helps to maintain the body's fluid balance, and undigested material forms the solid feces. It's stored in the rectum and eliminated through the anus. So the large intestine contains many bacteria. Some synthesize important vitamins. Some, like E. coli, can cause illnesses. So 32.4, which is excretory systems. The excretory system removes waste and helps maintain homeostasis. Excretory is like exit, which is to go out and leave. So it basically makes the waste leave. So the excretory system eliminates non-solid waste from the body. Non-solid waste are eliminated through the lungs, skin, and kidneys. Lungs exhale carbon dioxide and water vapor. Sweat glands and skin release excess water and salts like sweat. And kidneys filter and clean the blood to produce urine. So the kidneys help to maintain homeostasis by filtering the blood. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs, and they have 2 layers, the medulla and cortex, and filtering units called nephrons. So renal artery and renal vein, and those are the 2 veins it has that basically helps it filter out our bloods. So kidney have 3 basic functions in maintaining homeostasis: remove waste from blood, help to maintain electrolyte or the pH and fluid balances, and it releases key hormones. So nephrons clean the blood and produce urine. Nephrons are the filtering units in the kidney. They clear and rebalance the blood to produce urine. Loops of Henle is where water is reabsorbed one last time. Nephrons clean the blood and in a 3-step process. And all the stuff we're learning about the kidney, you don't exactly have to know. Just know the kidney filters the blood and produces urine. So let's just skip that. And let's skip the steps. So injury and disease cause damaged kidney functions. A kidney transplant can replace damaged kidneys. So as you probably know, we have two kidneys, and if one is damaged or not working, we can survive on one, but you cannot survive on no kidneys because then there would be nothing to filter your blood. So you can get a donor kidney, and drugs prevent tissue rejection. So dialysis can be used to filter and clean the blood. So it's basically a machine that helps do what a kidney does. So that's it with chapter 32, which was all about digestion and the excretory system. And so join us next time on chapter 33.